सुप्रीम कोर्ट में संयुक्त राष्ट्र अंतर्राष्ट्रीय व्यापार कानून आयोग के अंतर्राष्ट्रीय सम्मेलन का उद्घाटन हुआ। संस्था की 60वीं वर्षगांठ के अवसर पर भारत के मुख्य न्यायाधीश सूर्यकांत ने समारोह का उद्घाटन किया। कार्यक्रम को संबोधित करते हुए सीजेआई ने साफ किया कि ये कहना गलत है कि सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने किसी मामले की सुनवाई से इनकार कर दिया। सुप्रीम कोर्ट का दरवाजा हर नागरिक के लिए 24 घंटे खुला है और अदालत किसी के साथ अन्याय नहीं होने देगी। सीजेआई ने इस दौरान एआई के फायदों के बारे में भी बताया।
As this conference will demonstrate over the coming days, these very principles are now being tested in new and increasingly complex settings, given complex insolvency frameworks demanding public procurement scenarios or the manner in which digital trade and artificial intelligence are transforming both the nature of the commercial transactions and the disputes they inevitably generate. Yet, notwithstanding these technological and commercial transformations, our underlying values remain unchanged. They are the same principles that have animated commercial justice from the marketplaces of ancient India to the work of UNCITRAL today.
इस खास मौके पर कानून मंत्री अर्जुन राम मेघवाल, विदेश मंत्री डॉक्टर एस जयशंकर और अटॉर्नी जनरल आर वेंकट रमणी भी मौजूद रहे। इस समारोह में नेपाल, भूटान, ब्राजील, केन्या के मुख्य न्यायाधीश और दूसरे जज भी शामिल हुए।
Merely the celebration of an institution's anniversary, it is the celebration of global commitment to the rule of law in international trade. For 6 decades, UNCITRAL has served as a bridge between diverse legal traditions, fostering harmonized legal standards that promote certainty, fairness and cooperation. Its greatest contribution has been creating legal trust among the nations.
Over the past 6 decades, UNCITRAL has emerged as one of the most successful institutions within the UN system. Through its model laws, conventions, legislative guides, and legal standards, it has significantly contributed to the harmonization, modernization, and progressive development of international trade law. As the world undergoes profound transformation driven by technological change, digital commerce, evolving supply chains, and new patterns of investment, the work of UNCITRAL has acquired even greater relevance.